Hey everyone, welcome back to Tasty with Eamon. Today, we're making something incredibly delicious, a gopher cake. If you love waffles and cake, this is the perfect treat for you. Layers of crispy yet fluffy waffles, stacked with creamy fillings, and topped with your favorite goodies. Trust me, this is a game changer for brunch or dessert. Let's get started. Place waffles at the bottom of a springform pan. The ingredients of waffle in description. Now we will prepare the cream. Beat 200 grams of cold heavy cream with 200 grams of mascarpone. Add 55 grams of powdered sugar. Vanilla extract. Beat until stiff peaks form. Cut some fresh strawberries into pieces. Pipe a generous layer of this whipped cream over the waffles. Spread some strawberries. Add a second layer of waffles. And pipe rosettes of whipped cream on top. Place halved fresh strawberries, a few raspberries, and garnish with some mint leaves. And now I will prepare passion fruit cocktail. In each glass, place half a passion fruit. Add fresh mint leaves. Small drizzle of canned sugar syrup. Mash everything together using a muddler. Add a few ice cubes. Some pineapple juice. Then top with passion fruit juice.